Hi everyone, do you know you can convert image to text on ChatGPT? A lot of people have been using it for years, but it surprised me when somebody commented and told me, is it possible for you to generate text from ChatGPT? So this morning I want to quickly show you how to do that. We have a lot of AI apps that you can use to generate, or you can convert image to text, like a screenshot. Even if you have a book, you can just point your camera to it using ChatGPT or any AI app to convert the image to text or screenshot. Like you are a publisher and somebody screenshots some document to you, for you to start typing word for word, and it will take you a lot of time. Why can't you just use this ChatGPT? And if you don't have this, there are many ways you can do. I just finished a tutorial on this. It's a very lengthy tutorial. You can go and watch it and it will help you a lot. I share a lot of tips, a lot of bonuses that you can use to do this. So this is App Tutorial. What we do here is to review some useful apps, most trending app. We do a tutorial on how to use it, everything you need to know about the usage of these apps is what we do here. You are welcome. If you are joining us for the first time, why can't you just subscribe to our channel to help us share our videos, comment under it. Let's get started. You are welcome. So today I have a lot of chat GPT that we can use. So but I will use two. So I have a lot, but I will use it to demonstrate for the purpose of this tutorial. So I have two that I will use. I will use chat on, and I will use normal chat GPT. So this one is chat on. So let's first start with chat on. So when you click on it like this, if you don't have it on your phone, you can download it. When you click it or on it like this, it will present you with this interface. So all you need to do, if you have it, you have the screenshot on your phone, come down to where you see type your image here. You don't need to type any image, you get me? I'm sorry, you don't need to type any image, just click the icon beside the type your message here, which is this one. Click on it and it will pop up these two options. So all you need to do here is, if you want to use your camera, like you have a book that you want to take the screenshot and convert it to an image, just point your camera to it, scan it, and it will convert it. But this morning we want to go to our gallery. I have some screenshots on my phone that I want to convert to text. So all we need to do is go to gallery like this. I have them here. Just click on any one that you want to convert, like this one, and it will upload it this way. Now what you need to do is to crop out the unwanted area of the text, like this one. Like let's say I want to stop it here, crop it out. So you can see the place highlighted with blue color. After cropping it like this, just come down to where it says recognize. So it want to recognize the text, meaning that it's converting your image to text. Just click on it and it will just do the one that, can you see, this is the screenshot, the text from the screenshot, you can see it. So all you need to do here is to copy it. Just long press on it and you will see this pop up like this. Click on these three dots to give you some options, select all, then copy, and you are good to go. That's it on this one. So let's go to our normal chat GPT, which is this one, the white one. Click on it. So when you click on it like this, it will open. The same thing you did in chat on is the same way we are going to go here, just little difference. So if you are you want to do it from your camera, as in you want to screenshot, you want to snap a book and convert it to text, you can just click on this camera icon here, click on it, it will take you to where it will open your camera and you'll be able to snap it. But that's not what I'm going to do. If you have a photo with you, you just click on this, the second icon, which look like image icon here, click on it like this, it will come up like this, say continue, say continue like this. Just click on anyone. I'm clicking on this. You can click on 2 3 any amount of screenshots you want. So like this I have like 4. So just come down and click on add 4, click on it and it will upload. The only issue I have here is at times when you upload a lot of images, if you are not using the premium version, it will tell you that you've exceeded your trial limit. So let me use 2 like this. But you need to put a prompt. What's a prompt? A prompt is an instruction you want to give this AI model so that it can convert your text to, your image to text. So the other time I said please convert this image to text, I can just say generate text from this image or extract text from this image, you understand, from this image, and it will do the same thing it did. So click on it, it's just an instruction, it's a prompt, and here you have it. So this is it, this is it, this is it. So this is the image one, the first image, this is the second image, and you can just copy it like this. The way we long press on it and you will see this drop down menu, just click on copy, it will copy. And if you don't want to copy everything, you can just say select this one. When you select, like you don't want to copy everything, you can just select part of the text like this, like this, and click on copy, you are good to go. So that is it. If you want to have more understanding of this, I've done it. The previous video I did, I talk on some app that you can use to do it. Even if you don't have chat gpt, you don't have chat on AI, you don't have text converter or anything, you can use your Google Chrome browser to do it. It's very simple. I talk about it my previous video. I will drop the link here so that you can go and watch. Kindly subscribe to our channel. This is App Tutorian. What we do is to create tutorial on some useful app, and we review some app, very useful one, most trending one, then you have information and idea concerning the apps. Thank you, you are welcome. My name is Sunday Adeni. See you in the next tutorial.